Let us learn about birds. This is a peacock. It is our national bird. This is a crow. It is black in color. This is a crane. It is the world's tallest flying bird. This is a swan. It is one of the largest flying birds and can swim in water. This is a sparrow. It is a small brown-gray bird with a short tail. This is an owl. It is a night bird. This is a cock. It crows at dawn when the sun rises. This is an ostrich. It is the largest bird. This is a parrot. It can make sounds like humans. This is a pigeon. It was used to transport letters. This is a duck. It can swim in water. This is an eagle. It flies high in the sky. Answer the following questions. Which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. Which is a night bird? The owl is a night bird. Which is the largest bird? The ostrich is the largest bird.